The question was asked during the question period, what about people who do it on the Natch? And I think the answer has to be expanded to say, that's very fine for them, and we wish saints all the best of luck. But what about the rest of us poor bastards who don't have the blessings of angels upon our quest? The important thing about the psychedelic experience is that it is entirely democratic. You don't have to sweep up around the ashram for 15 years before you get the whammy. You simply go get the whammy. You don't need ideology. You don't need method. Gurus should find honest work. And let me make this point about the four of us. It's all very well to attend a Tim Leary event, a Terence McKenna event, but I'll tell you, there's a hell of a difference between talking about psychedelics and taking psychedelics. And I would think that the four of us would have succeeded up here tonight if you would leave this place tonight determined to do more, go deeper. It's fine to tell your friends, but the real obligation on all of us who are psychedelic astronauts is to go deeper, empower ourselves. You know, the American novelist John Crowley said a wonderful thing about psychedelics. He said, the further in you go, the bigger it gets. And I think that we really need to understand that when you take a 5 dried gram dose of psilocybin, you are your own Magellan. During your trip, your eyes will fall upon things no human eye has ever seen before, and very well may never see again.